Ever wondered how to make a delicious yet healthy keto meal at home? Let's demystify the magic of keto meals. And today, we're going to make a scrumptious, easy-to-make keto pizza. You'll need almond flour, cheese, eggs, tomato sauce, and your choice of toppings, all of which are often found in the average American pantry. So no special trip to the grocery store needed. Excited yet? Well, hold on to that excitement as we dive right into the process. The first step to our mouth-watering keto pizza is preparing the crust. Begin by combining almond flour, a pinch of salt, and a dash of Italian seasoning in a bowl. Then, add in 1 beaten egg and a splash of olive oil. Mix these together until a dough forms. Roll out your dough on a sheet of parchment paper, shaping it into your desired pizza base. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. With our pizza crust ready and oven preheated, we're all set to move on to the next step. Now, let's bring our pizza to life with some delicious and healthy toppings. Begin by spreading a generous layer of your favorite sugar-free sauce over the crust. Next, sprinkle a hearty handful of low-moisture mozzarella cheese, ensuring an even spread. Now comes the fun part, adding your keto-friendly toppings. Think bell peppers, olives, mushrooms, or even some grilled chicken. Once topped to your liking, pop your pizza into a preheated oven and bake until golden and bubbly. And there you have it, a delicious, healthy, and easy-to-make keto pizza right in your kitchen. Just like that, you've made a restaurant-worthy keto pizza at home. With a few simple ingredients, you created a delicious crust, slathered it with homemade sauce, and topped it all off with your favorite veggies and cheese. It was an easy, fun-filled adventure in your kitchen. And the best part? You've whipped up a meal that not only tastes fantastic, but also supports your health goals. So, why wait? Go ahead, give this recipe a try, and enjoy a delicious, guilt-free meal. Until next time, keep cooking and stay healthy.